For New Orleans homeowners, boosting property value is always top of mind, whether you're preparing to sell, planning future renovations, or simply wanting to enhance everyday comfort. One upgrade that delivers both immediate and long-term value is the installation of casement windows. Known for their elegant appearance and impressive functionality, casement windows offer a combination of beauty, energy efficiency, and durability that aligns perfectly with the needs of New Orleans homes. Improved curb appeal and architectural charm. Curb appeal has a powerful effect on property value, especially in a city like New Orleans, where architectural character is part of the local identity. Casement windows complement a wide variety of New Orleans home styles: shotgun homes, Creole cottages, historic townhouses, and modern builds alike. Their clean lines, wide glass area, and unobstructed views help enhance the exterior appearance while creating a more open, airy look inside the home. Potential buyers instantly notice the aesthetic upgrade. Whether your property sits in Uptown, the Garden District, Mid-City, or Gentilly, casement windows provide a modernized yet timeless touch that feels right at home in the Crescent City's eclectic neighborhoods. Superior ventilation for humid Louisiana weather. One of the top reasons casement windows are so desirable in New Orleans is their exceptional ventilation. Because they open fully from side hinges, they catch natural breezes more effectively than many other window styles. This is especially helpful during the long, humid Louisiana summers, where airflow makes a noticeable difference in indoor comfort. Homes with better natural ventilation feel fresher, reduce reliance on air conditioning, and help prevent moisture-related issues such as mold and mildew, problems that can quickly affect a property's value. Buyers appreciate homes that already include features supporting healthier indoor air quality and humidity control. Enhanced energy efficiency that attracts buyers. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for New Orleans homeowners, and casement windows are among the most energy-efficient window styles available. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating an airtight seal. This reduces air leakage and keeps conditioned air indoors, which is especially important with the intense heat and sudden cold snaps common in southern Louisiana. Energy-efficient windows help lower monthly utility costs, and buyers are willing to pay more for a home with these upgrades already in place. Whether equipped with double-pane glass, low-E coatings, or insulated frames, casement windows significantly improve a home's overall efficiency rating, making the property more attractive and competitive in the market. Improved security and peace of mind. New Orleans buyers often prioritize security, particularly in urban neighborhoods. Casement windows offer an advantage in this area thanks to their unique locking mechanisms. Unlike traditional double-hung windows, casements lock at multiple points within the frame, creating a secure seal that is difficult to tamper with. For families and property investors, strong security features directly influence home value. Buyers feel more confident moving forward with a home that already includes premium security upgrades. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Another factor that affects home value is the long-term upkeep required. Casement windows are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. Many modern casement designs use materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames that resist moisture damage, an essential benefit in a climate prone to heavy rainfall and high humidity. Because they withstand New Orleans weather conditions so well, casement windows help preserve the home's structural integrity and reduce maintenance expenses, both of which contribute to stronger property value over time. A smart investment for New Orleans homeowners. Casement windows deliver a blend of beauty, efficiency, and durability that makes them a valuable home improvement investment. By enhancing curb appeal, improving comfort, lowering energy costs, and providing better security, they significantly increase the desirability and value of homes across New Orleans. For homeowners looking to modernize their property while boosting resale potential, casement windows are a smart, high-impact upgrade that continues to pay off year after year.